In this video, we're going to review how to multiply mixed numbers by whole numbers. And we're going to start with a calculation, 3 3/4 multiplied by 8. The first step is to make this mixed number into an improper fraction, just like we did before. So 3 3/4, so we've got 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 3/4 we've already got, we have 15 quarters. And the 8 is of course written as 8 over 1. Step 2, cancel down and multiply. 4 and 8 have a common factor of 4, so 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and we multiply. 15 multiplied by 2 is 30, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Step 3, simplify your answer. 30 divided by 1 is 30. There's our answer in its simplest terms. Let's try another example. 16 multiplied by 5 3/4. Step 1, make both parts into improper fractions. 16 of course becomes 16 over 1, it's a whole number. And 5 3/4, so we've got 5 wholes, that's 5 lots of 4/4. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 3 is 23 quarters. Step 2, cancel down and multiply. 16 and 4 have a common factor of 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And we multiply across. Multiply the numerators. 4 times 23 is 92. 1 times 1 is 1. Step 3, simplify. 92 divided by 1 is of course 92. Our final example, 2 6/7 multiplied by 8. As I'm sure you remember by now, step 1 is make them into improper fractions. So we've got 2 wholes, each representing 7/7. 2 times 7 is 14. Add the 6/7 we already have, we have 27. And 8 is of course 8 over 1. Step 2, cancel down and multiply. We can't cancel down here. No numerator and denominator has a common factor, obviously apart from 1, which won't change anything. So we just multiply across. 20 multiplied by 8 is 160. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. Step 3, simplify. To simplify this, I need to divide out this fraction, 160 divided by 7. Now, unless you have a scientific calculator which can write in fractions as well, which you might not have unless you've got an older brother or sister in secondary, you're going to need to do some division. So 160 divided by 7, 7s into 16 go twice, that's 14. The remainder of 2, 7s into 20 go twice again, 14, with a remainder of 6. So it's 22 and 6 divided by 7, 6/7 again. So 22 and 6/7 is our answer in its simplest terms.